Reliability is nothing new to John Deere. I think we've provided and produced reliable machines for a long time, but I think what's key is really focusing on innovative solutions in the future to deliver and help our customers with uptime and efficiency.
Precision construction really is fundamental to our strategy and our success moving forward across all product lines, and excavators is no exception. So when I think about some of the tenets of precision construction and what we are poised to deliver in terms of value set to enhance our operators' experience from the cab and our customers' business overall, I think about things that make them more productive, like grade control across our full range of excavators.
The ability that we have to iterate now with our own design control and quickly is the thing that excites me the most. A customer can tell me, I want this, and our engineering team is delivering it rapidly. So it's very exciting to me that that feedback gets immediately put into the machine.
We have to continuously grow, and one way to stay ahead of our competition is listening to customer voice, implementing improvements, and always staying ahead. And to do that, you have to change day in and day out. You have to deliver results.